So we recently bought another cheap car. Got this BMW X3 for a good price, and it's got a lot of miles on it, but if it makes it a couple of years, we're good. But it needs spark plugs, and I went to change out the spark plugs today, and there's 4 bolts here that hold this cover down. You can see the back 2 here up under the cowl, and that's just stupid. Why did BMW do that? Well, they did that because they designed this engine for a bunch of cars, and then they just crammed it in those cars. Really, the bolts would ideally be up here where you can get to them easier. So I went to pull the bolts out, and I got the front 2 bolts out here, and there's no bolts in the back. So is that shade tree or is that not? Yeah, that's a shade tree hack, and I can't blame the previous mechanic for doing that. And I know the person, I didn't know the person who owned this car, but I know that she did not do her own maintenance. There's all kinds of maintenance records for this, so some paid mechanic somewhere left those 2 bolts out. If you're paid, don't do that. If you're doing it on your own vehicles, you want to leave those 2 bolts out, by all means leave them out. So question of the day, is that shade tree or not? What do you think? Go ahead and comment below and let me know your opinion. Thanks for watching.